how's it going? My name is Eric Salgado with CNN Construction. I'm here at Mr. Carrillo's residence, at 7050 West 64th Street, Chicago, Illinois, 60638. In an attempt to repair this damaged shingle right here. As you see, it's already creased. Start by scraping it off, grabbing my snake. Here goes the damaged shingle. Start scraping it off. This one's already go. That's very easy. As you see, they come off quick. Now, I'm gonna see where these nails are located. One. There's two. There's another one. Bam. That should be it. Whoop, there's one more stuck right here. Perfect. Off with the old shingle here. Put in this brand new shingle. Slide down in. Now I put the nails back in. Grab the hammer. Go. Line these bad boys. Go. Start off with the first nail. Go. One. As you see with this new shingle, you see all these creases forming up, attempting to repair this damaged shingle, which is jeopardizing the rest of the roof. As you see, everything's creased up, just doing one repair. Therefore, we're asking for a full roof replacement. Please take your time to review this video. Thank you.